Welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out a caboose in Little Rock, Arkansas. So the other day I had to take my son to Camp Robinson and I passed through this park. It was called Burns Park. And I noticed that it had a caboose, but I didn't have time to stop. So I decided to come back and check it out. Now this is a Union Pacific caboose, number UP25224. It is a beautiful caboose. I mean, just look at the yellow paint, the smokestack, the signals on top. It is a beauty. Now some cabooses are small. This one is a bit large. It's still got the generator and the belt connected that powers this unit. I definitely get a more modern feeling from looking at this. A lot of your cabooses are generally older than this, but this must have been like a late model 80s or something like that. It looks like it might have been red at some point. Maybe they decided to paint it yellow. Not entirely sure about the history on it. The windows are all frosted over, so you can't really get a good look inside. That's really unfortunate because I would like to see what it looked like on the inside. This caboose was donated to North Little Rock's Park and Recreation Department by the Union Pacific Railroad in dedication to all railroad employees. Mayor of North Little Rock, Patrick Henry Hayes, Superintendent Gerald Lang, Shop Superintendent Joseph Caruso. Well, I hope you enjoyed checking out this caboose, and if you did, go ahead and hit that like and that subscribe button so you can catch all my future videos. Well, from the rails to the nails, the wheels that roll, we'll see you next time on the Man Shed Railroad.